Yeah, go on ahead.
So if you look inside the autoclave, there is a line down here that actually says water line.
All right.
So the water goes just to that line. All right.
All right.
It says it down here. Then you have the little metal bit has to sit because you want that to keep the basket raised.
Okay.
Okay. Then you take one of the prestige strips out and you put the strip inside with your metal implements inside. Put the lid on here. You align the little triangles and then you click it that it's firmly closed.
Right.
Now, it's important that this thing here is at 0. So you can see that says steam, that says 0. So you put it at 0 when you start. You plug it in and you see your on button. So you press your on button and then when this button, so I'm reading from the manual now, when this button comes on, these start to light up. So this starts with green, this then becomes orange, and then L3, which is, this becomes yellow. So they all start lighting up, okay, as it's working, but you're not doing anything, you're just leaving it. So the cycle is complete when the buzzer sounds, and
How long
then
does that take approximately?
it doesn't say how long it takes. I recall it was about an hour, if I remember correctly. So the buzzer sounds and then the button goes green. So this button then illuminates green, and also this button, the correct button, illuminates green. So when that's green and this is green and it buzzes, the cycle is done. So to depressurize before you open it, right, you have to come back up here. It needs to be depressurized and allowed to cool before you take the lid off. So I would generally do this and then depressurize it and leave it to cool probably overnight. Okay, so to depressurize this, we're going to turn this to the steam mode because it raises and the steam will come out and that will depressurize afterwards. So you're going to get steam out of that, so be careful. Okay, you'll hear it doing it. Once the pressure has been released via this, then you'll hear the unlocking system. Then you can remove the lid. And then, so what they say to do, just, do you ever see when you go into the dentist, all your metal implements, so they use an autoclave in a bigger form in the dentist. So you just get one of those plastic, sealable. So you could have your metal implements in that. So if you actually have a new client, it's sterile.
Yeah.
You know, if you took it out of that, and just left it lying around the salon, it's not sterile even if you haven't used it. So I don't know if I have any of those bags. So that's it.